Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iCloud sync so your notes live across devices. This matters for search and backups. Once done, open Notes and tap New Note or press N to begin. Give it a short, searchable title so you can find it later. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are granted. This lets you insert live scans and voice memos directly. Why? Because combining typed text with media increases context and recall, and it keeps everything in one place for fast retrieval. Now focus on structure. Create folders and optional subfolders, then drag notes into them to build a hierarchy that matches your workflow. At the same time, add tags like hash project or hash meeting so you can filter quickly. Smart folders will auto-collect tagged notes for you. Use built-in tools, checklists for tasks, tables for quick data, sketches for diagrams, and attach PDFs or links to keep sources nearby. These steps reduce search time and let you switch between high-level planning and detailed execution seamlessly. Finish by sharing and securing. Invite collaborators and choose view or edit permissions so work stays coordinated, and lock sensitive notes with a password or face/touch ID for privacy. Once shared, check version history if you need to restore prior changes. If something goes wrong, like notes not syncing, toggle iCloud notes off and on, wait a minute, then restart the device. That often forces a resync. If problems persist, check storage and update iOS, because outdated software can block seamless sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.